Hi everyone, it's Gail. I have a short bonus video for you today. Um, I have been asked by several people about writing in journals. Well, wouldn't you know, last night I finished my daily journal and I need to start a new one. So I wanted to just do a short video and address the idea of not writing in your journals. and talk about a little bit about how I use mine. I've done this before, but it's an old video, so who knows where it's buried in YouTube land. So this journal was made by Lori Fusco, Girl on the Ridge. She made this gorgeous journal, and actually my last daily journal was from Lori too. So kind of fun. But anyway, I wanted to kind of just show you that a gorgeous journal like this can still be written in. And to me, the memories and the things in the journal enhance it. I feel. And I feel the other thing that I have my little opinion on is that as a journal maker, I think it enhances my journal making to be a journaler, to write in a journal. And, you know, there's nothing earth-shattering in here. It's basically what I did a day at home. I finished 5 little Golden Book journals. Wow, I was really productive that day. But yeah, so it's not like it's anything profound. It's just what happened that day. And so anyway, just wanted to kind of show you how I use them, how I journal on every little bit. And it's fun when you come across little things in the journal that you can write on. You can either write a memory that day or the whole day. Usually mine were the whole day because my life's not that exciting. but yeah, so I just kind of wanted to thumb through it with you and just show you kind of how that's my little buddy. That's my youngest grandchild. I usually don't put pictures in here, but you know, birth of a grandchild's a big deal. So and yeah, and I just wanted to show you how I just kind of write on everything. These little pieces, look at this. So that was a day there. There's a day there. And so the little decorations pieces that you add to a journal, I probably should have written on there. I didn't. I don't know why. But the little things you add are so much fun to then write on. So so yeah, this I guess I started this journal when gosh, I've been working on this journal for 2 years, because July of 2018. So yeah, this has lasted me 2 years. I have to say, I had a period where I wasn't journaling, and you know why? I have found for me the best thing is to have this on my nightstand and write about my day, hop into bed, write a little bit about my day, and then, you know, watch videos or go to sleep or whatever. But for a while, I had this down in my craft room because I thought, well, I could just write in it before I start crafting. Nope, did not work for me. Did not work. Look at that one on that little tag. Didn't work for me at all. I would just get down here to my craft room and get going and not write. So you have to find a time that works for you too. This was fun. This little thing was put together, and it's what do you call them? Card catalog cards. So So yeah, but I do have some journals that are kind of my idea journals, for instance, that I don't write in. But I really do think, and look at this one. This was fun. I had days and days in here. And so, so yeah, all these little things that are put in journals just are fun places to write. So I wanted to share it and encourage you to journal. I have to say, doing it at night, it helps me kind of unwind, you know, and I just kind of write down the day and go from there. I had a few goodies at the back. This was from my grandkids, a Happy Easter. Maybe it was just from Addie. Yep, it was from Addie, and I wanted to keep it, so put that in there. And then she had sent along this was in there, and it wasn't on as a pocket, and so I just kind of kept it out. And this came with, and so I kept that out too. So anyway, but that's my daily journal all done. Woohoo, woohoo. So I need to start a new one. So I'm excited to do that. I'll show you the one that I'm gonna do. It was made for me, and a Happy Mail. I was hoping I had who made it for me, and I probably don't. Oh, so hard to keep it all together. I love it though. I do love it. Please say something in the comments that you made this book, because I love it. And I've added some things that have come in Happy Mail. This came in Happy Mail. And then I have some ephemera made by my friend Lorette that she says just for you. So I thought I would add that to the journal as well. But oh, I can't believe I didn't put the name in it. Gail. I was hoping maybe there was a journal card or something that she put her name on, but she didn't. This is why you always sign your journals, guys. Let's look at the back and see if she signed the journal. Nope. Nope. So please remind me. I love it. I think it's awesome. And it says Gail on the front, so I need to use it as my daily. So I'm gonna start that tonight, and little charm that has my name on it too. And yeah, isn't it fun? So yeah, I'll just start writing in it. Like here, I could write down here and across there. I probably will. Might put a pocket in to put my Lorette things in. But yeah, so that's my new one. And I opened it in Happy Mail and showed it to you, so you've seen the whole thing. But that's my new one. Then I wanted to just tell you some of the other journals. So I have my daily sitting by my bed. I also have this book. This is a Shannon Green cover, but it's also got the fabric paper. So this is what the fabric paper looks like as a journal cover. And I just popped it in here because I had this this Shannon Green one. But this is my gratitude journal. And so every day I write 3 things that I'm grateful for every single day. So before I go to bed, I write in my daily, write down the things that have happened during the day, and then I write in my gratitude journal. And I'm getting close to being done. This was one that I just made for myself. I'm getting close to being done with it. So see, I've only got a few pages left. This will last a while. Those pages will last a while. But but yeah, so I wanted to show you that too. So those are the two things that sit by my bed and I journal in at night. Then I also have my reading journal, and in it I keep track of books that I've read. This book was made by Diane H. on YouTube, and she is Pretty Pink Cottage on Etsy. Yeah, I haven't finished a book in a couple months. It's something to do with the whole COVID thing, but I haven't been able to just sit and read. I have to kind of be busy. I don't know, just a weirdo. And this must be my card from Diane. Yeah. It was one of the cards Diane sent me. I stuck in there too. So there you go. So that's my reading journal. The other thing, you know, I'm a big fan of Lisa Gardner. I went online and got all of her books written down so I could check them off as I've read them and know which ones that I haven't read and that I need to find. So that was another thing I did in the reading journal. And then there's the travel. When this is my full one, and I got this cover on Etsy somewhere. I can't remember where. And I just have this this traveler's notebook that I made, and it is full. So this is where I put things like, you know, mementos and things like that. Of places we've been, and that the last trip I think in this one was it was a trip we took to Brookings, Oregon, and then last 2018 Denver trip, my favorite things there. And so basically this one is done. I feel like it's full enough. It's done. I have cruises in there. I have retreats, Anaconda retreat. So I just kind of used the same. I can't fill one of these up on one trip. I don't know. I don't have enough to write, I guess. And so I have multiple trips in here. And I'll just start a new traveler's notebook if we ever get to travel again. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to pop on and show you the completed journal and encourage you to journal, encourage you to use your beautiful journals that you purchase and write in them, you know. And yeah, so this is my new one. I'm so excited to get started. Yay. Okay. Much love, big hugs. Thanks, guys. I just wanted to come on quick and share that. I hope you have a great day and a grateful day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.